I think it is. That can't be. Okay, so here in New Jersey right now, Ocean Grove, and I'm suspicious that this an E-type Jag legit, or is it like a body kit one, like one that's just kind of like put together? I don't know. Looks really good. Let's see. Dang, that looks like a really nice Jag. You got it. Oh, check it out. Whoa. This looks pretty good. I mean, if that is legitimate and not a kit car, I don't know, but like, I don't know, it might be a kit car, but like, I'm not sure because they got the bolts on the front there, but no, they got the Lucas headlamps in there and a badge on the front. Dang, that's super cool. If this is a real thing, like, for sure, but dude, this might be real. Look at the cockpit. Oh my gosh. That's so sick. It looks good no matter what though. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Is this for real or is this a kit car of some sort? I mean, those rims look pretty legit too. Look like that, like old steel, you gotta knock them off, like those hubs and everything like that. The sticker's kind of coming off for the Dunlap right there. Yeah, but then you got the leather straps too. Down at the beach here, who knew?